Hi, Messi.
Chị học không này.
Hi, Messi.
Hi teacher.
Okay, good evening.
Good
Okay, good
evening.
evening. Await me, Messi, ha?
Có gì mà teacher.
Okay. Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Messi, let us have to do speaking again. So as what your mom told me, we have to learn more on speaking. So I encourage you to talk. Then, of course, we need to have reading. That's very important. Okay, so at least you have background for grammar. Okay, so this one we're going to talk here. Okay, our topic. Okay, wait me. Okay, so teacher will ask some question. What is your favorite meal of the day? What is your favorite meal?
Um,
What do you want to eat in the morning, especially in the morning? Breakfast is very important. What is your favorite meal of the day? Oh, you tell me, Messi.
um, my favorite meal
Favorite meal?
is
Yes.
my favorite meal is dinner.
It's dinner. Okay, so what food do you like to eat? The food that you like to eat.
I eat meat, uh, fish,
Okay, fish.
mm,
Okay, meat. How about drinks? What's your favorite drink?
um, drink.
Yeah. Do you love to eat? Do you love to drink soda like Coke?
Yes,
Drink Coke? Oh, do you know what is cola? Coca-Cola?
yes.
Okay. Yes. What food do you like the best? What food do you like the best?
The food I like the best
Is
is pizza.
okay, pizza. Okay. Now, what food, Messy, that you don't like? Teacher, I don't like that food. What food that you don't like? You don't like to eat. I don't like to eat that kind of food. What food is it? The
Is
one that you don't like to eat.
I don't like
You don't like to eat what? What kind of food that you don't like to eat? That you don't like
Eat fish.
fish, or you
Maybe.
don't like to eat fish. Okay. Do you love cooking? Do you love to cook?
Cooking a little.
A little. Okay, how about noodles? Do you cook noodles?
Yes.
Do you love to cook noodles? Noodles is very, okay, very good to eat. Very yummy. Do you like it?
Oh, Jackie.
Do you love cooking? Okay, noodles. Okay, next one.
Yeah.
Who often does the cooking in your family? Your sister or your mom or your dad, or who does the cooking? Who cook in your family? Tell me.
In my mom.
Oh, your mom. Okay. What time do you usually eat breakfast? What time do you usually eat
What is
breakfast?
is it a a
Oh, we eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Okay, how about dinner? It's dinner. What time do you eat dinner?
time I eat dinner is
What time do you usually eat dinner? Like
um 6:30.
half past six, like 6:30. Oh, very early. Okay. Now, talk about the dish that you like best. Or what is the dish that you really like best? Like, oh, I want to eat that one, teacher. I really want to eat that one. Okay. What is that food?
Huh?
What is the food that you like to eat? Or talk about the dish that you like the best, like chicken. I love chicken, teacher Ann. I really love chicken a lot.
Huh?
Do you like to eat chicken? Do you love chicken?
Yes.
Ah,
Like
how
chicken.
about vegetable? Do you eat vegetable, Messi?
Um, vegetable. Yes,
Do you eat
vegetable.
vegetables? Yes, I eat vegetable.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, you eat vegetable. Oh, really? You really eat
Yes.
vegetables? Okay. Now, now, remember to add more details to your answer to make it longer. So that is the reason why teacher and need to expand, need to ask questions about you. It's very important. Okay. So we have here different food, Messi. Can you say that one? What do you think is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruit here? What do you think is your
Huh?
favorite fruit
What's your
here?
favorite?
Yeah, the favorite fruit. Your favorite fruit here.
What? Yeah, my favorite food is chicken.
It is chicken.
Chicken
Fruit,
pox.
fruit, fruit, fruit.
Spicy. Fruit.
Your most favorite fruit in the picture. What is your most favorite fruit in the picture?
Hmm.
Yes, the one that I showed to you. What do you
It's
think
orange.
is your most favorite fruit? It
It's
is
orange.
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 Why do you like orange?
Uh, because mm,
Why?
uh, What?
Orange is yummy. It's full of vitamin C. Okay.
Yes.
How about snacks? What snacks do you like to eat in here? What
Snack
snacks? Yeah. It's chicken sandwich, chips, spaghetti, or what snacks do you like to eat?
is spaghetti.
Spaghetti. You like pasta. You like pasta. You like to eat pasta. Why do you like to eat pasta? Why? Why you like to eat
Because it,
spaghetti? Wait me, ha? Wait me a minute. Wait, teacher Ann. Just a minute. Okay, Messi. Okay. Why do you like to eat spaghetti? Why spaghetti? Of all the pasta, of all the snacks, why you like spaghetti? Because
spaghetti is so yummy and
it's yummy, right? Spaghetti is yummy, teacher. It's very yummy. Okay. So, how about salad? Okay. How about salad? Do you eat salad? Hmm? Do you eat salad?
yes.
Hey, of course, fish. You told me a while ago, you told me, teacher Anne, I don't like to eat fish, right? You told me you don't like to eat fish. Why you don't like to eat fish? Why? What's the reason why you don't like to eat fish? Because why?
Um,
Because
bitter fish is
oh, I love fish. Fried fish is very yummy. Okay, in my country, fried fish is yummy. Okay, why you don't like to eat that one? Because did your mom cook fish in your house? Does she cook fish in the house? Hmm?
yes.
Messy or no? Oh, how about Caroline? Does your sister eat fish?
No,
No too? No too? Caroline doesn't eat fish?
no. Caroline is like fish.
Okay, how about Messi? Does Messi eat fish? Okay, a little only. Oh, you tell me the truth. Do you eat fish or a little only?
Um,
What is
what?
it? Do you eat fish or little only? A little only. You eat fish, but only a little.
A little.
Okay. But Caroline eat fish.
Mm.
Jillian eat fish too, but only not that a lot. It's only a little like you. Okay, but he loves to eat he loves to eat fried fish. Okay. So this one, let us have this. This one. Now, look at this. Oh, there are a lot of food here. Ice cream. Do you like to eat ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream very much.
You like to eat ice cream? Okay, that's your favorite. You like to eat ice cream? Your favorite? Hmm? You like to eat that?
Mm.
Okay.
Uh, yeah.
Okay. Next one is okay. So okay. These are the favorite dish, okay? My favorite dish is meat. It is pork. What it is made of? Oh, it is made of fruit. It is made beef noodles. Example, my favorite fish is, my favorite dish is beef noodles. It is made of, oh, it is made of what? It is made of rice, teacher Ann, and many kinds of herbs with tasteful broth. And I love beef noodles because it is one of the famous dishes in Vietnam. Oh, beef noodles is famous in Vietnam? Huh?
Yeah.
Messi? Beef noodles is
Yes.
famous in Vietnam?
Yes.
That's famous? Oh, so do you cook beef noodles in your house? Always? You cook beef noodles in your house?
Yes.
Wow, that sounds great. At least you eat beef noodles in your house. That's nice. Okay, here. Now, Messi, let us have this one. Okay. Okay. Do you often eat fast food? Okay, like Jollibee. Do you know Jollibee?
Fast food.
Okay, Jollibee. You know Jollibee? KFC. Do you know KFC?
Yes.
Okay, do you always eat KFC? Hmm? Do you always eat KFC or no? Yes or no?
No. No.
Okay. Are you good? Are you a good cook? Oh, you said no, I don't know how to cook. It's your mom who cook in the house, right? Ah, okay. At what times do you usually eat your meals? What time? Half past
What?
six or what time you usually eat your meals?
Half past six.
Half past six, okay. Now, so did you have your breakfast today? Huh? Did you have your
Yes.
breakfast today? Okay, yes, teacher. I have my breakfast today.
Mm,
Okay. Do you eat fruit every day? Do you eat fruit every day?
yes. Okay.
Okay. What food do you think is unhealthy? What food do you think that is unhealthy? Okay, food that is
Uh,
unhealthy.
is fast food.
Okay, very
Sausage.
okay. Sausage, fast food, and any other canned goods. It's not that healthy. Okay, canned goods is not healthy. Okay, when you say canned goods is not really healthy, like I don't know. In my country, it's beef look. Okay. It's corned beef. Okay. It's not healthy to eat that one. Okay. Next. Do you eat fruit every day in your house? Do you eat fruit every day?
Yes.
Okay. What fruit do you usually eat every day?
Is mango.
Mango
Um,
and
watermelon.
watermelon. Oh, you love watermelon?
Yes, I love watermelon the best.
The best. Why you like it?
Um, because watermelon is
Why you like watermelon?
um,
Because it is juicy and yummy, right? It is
yes.
watery. When you try to eat watermelon, it's watery. It's full of water. Okay. What food do you think is not healthy? Not healthy. What food do you think not healthy for you?
It's fast food.
Okay, it's the fast food, of course. It is not healthy to eat in the fast food, teacher, and it's not really healthy to eat in the Fast food. Okay. So we have here, please try to answer. Look at this Messi in the, okay, in this strip, in this one, huh? And then you have to write your answer in the chat box. School bus trip to London, okay? You can pick your answers from there, okay, Messi?
Yes.
Okay, you write your answer in the chat box. These are the questions. Where to go, what day, where to visit. You will take anything. Okay. Lunch, where? Okay, go. In the chat box, ha, Messi. Oh.
Our teacher was in number 3.
3 is, okay, you will gonna visit. School trip to London. Okay. What to visit? You will gonna visit what?
Visit the school.
You right there.
Teacher then.
Okay, you're done. Let me see. Okay. Where to visit? Okay, where to visit, Messi?
London.
Okay, London. What day?
Saturday,
Okay, Saturday.
24 April.
Okay, Saturday, 24 April. Okay, very good. Okay. And what you were gonna take there?
Good.
Can you take anything? Or
Take
no?
anything. Raincoat.
Okay, you will gonna take a, very good. You will gonna take a raincoat
Raincoat.
only. Okay, you will gonna take a raincoat, teacher Ann. Okay, so you're gonna take a raincoat. Okay, and how about the lunch? Okay, what time is the lunch?
In 1 p.m.
Okay, so it will be 1 p.m. Okay, it is 1 p.m. The lunch will be at 1 p.m. Okay, next one. Okay, this one. Ah, wait ha. Okay, this one. Please try to answer the question. Sorry, I have questions here.
In the chat box or
In the chat box.
yeah.
I can live, I can fly. Touch the rainbow. Yan. Ka-cute sa akin. Ha? Di asat mo. Hindi mo ka daw? Terus paira cutics. Oh, kumaan. Yan, kumang cutics. Diya butang idar martayulit. Kanyo, kanyo. Para barali. Awa, aba! Paira cutics, adi asat mo. Nasa ka, hindi ka mo. Kanyo. Katanya parang nakuha dahil yung lahan ng tayo. Ganda naman ganda naman aircon sa ulit to. Pagdumi, naon sa lagi nga. Hirap na din mga ito niyo. Hirap man. Hawa ka, dili utaro. Hindi nga, magpabilis ko lang. Wala ka ako kay, wala ka siya. Lakaw to. Parang nga, bumani. Wala ako rin butang. Ito sa kanya. Ayun, pagkakilo rin. Ito, imong ito. Kung imong ito. Kung ligo na mo ito. Imong ito, ito ko, ikaw ba?
Ano mga panganak? I think so. Ito, ano kita na inom na. Inom na kasi.
Detergent.
Okay, so what is the opening time of the swimming pool, Messi? What do you think, Messi, is the opening time of the swimming pool? It is,
In the chat box.
okay, it's 7:30. Okay. How much is the ticket? You said it is, how much is the ticket? 175, correct. And what is the address of the pool? The one you will go. It is Orford Sports Center, Norman Roads. That's the address. And number 4, is there a coffee there? Is there a coffee in the place? Okay, coffee is? Oh, yes, teacher Ann. There is a coffee and it is open every day. Messi, it is open every day. The coffee is open every day. Do they
Yes.
have lessons for children? Messi, do they have lessons for children? Yes, they
Yes.
have. Okay. What is the lesson? The lesson is, Messi, what is the lesson for the children? The lesson is about, oh, what is the lesson? What's the lesson, Messi?
Swimming.
Swimming, very good. It is swimming lessons. That's the lesson. Swimming lesson. Okay. Okay, so this one. This is the swimming pool. You imagine you are introducing the swimming pool to the visitor. What can you say? Example, there's a swimming pool. What you will gonna say, Messi? What you will gonna say to your friend about the swimming pool? Or you speak up what you will gonna say to your friend about the swimming pool. Tell me, you describe the swimming pool. Go, Messi. Describe. Oh, I am your friend. I am listening now.
Teacher was.
Hey, tell me. I am your friend. I am listening about the swimming pool now. Okay, you tell me. You describe to me the swimming pool. Okay, you describe to me about the swimming pool. Oh, faster, so we can finish. This is the last one. You describe to me about the swimming pool. You speak up. Do not write. Speak up. You speak. You describe to me about your place, about the swimming pool. Or you describe, look at the swimming pool and describe it to me. Okay, can you see the swimming pool? Look at the swimming pool. How the swimming pool looks like.
Mm,
Okay, look at the swimming pool and describe the swimming pool. Okay, I am your friend. I am listening, Missy, about what you were gonna say about the swimming pool. Or you tell something about the swimming pool. Okay, now you tell I am listening. Please tell something about the swimming pool. Tell something now. What can you say about the swimming pool? Missy, I am waiting. Go. The swimming pool is what?
it's beautiful.
Oh, it's beautiful. What else? Look at the swimming pool. Hmm?
Beautiful and
Beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful. What else? What you can see in the swimming pool?
big.
It is? There's a beach. Yeah, there's a beach. What else?
Ah,
Look at the swimming pool. Go faster so we can finish. What you can say about the swimming pool? Hmm? The swimming pool is nice, teacher. There's a beach. Yeah, what else?
it's interesting.
It's interesting, of course. It is interesting to visit the swimming pool. Okay, it is interesting to visit the swimming pool. Okay, it is interesting to visit there. Okay, now, okay, okay. Do you think if you will go to the swimming pool, do you think you will be happy? Messi, do you think you will be happy
Yes,
when you will, oh, why do you think you will be happy? Example, your friends are there. Why do you think you will be happy? Because, Messi, oh, Messi, last question. Because you will
was
be happy because the swimming pool, Messi
uh,
is nice and
yeah.
relaxing. Okay, it is nice and relaxing, Teacher Anne. Okay, Messi? Okay. So for now, Messi, teacher don't have enough questions for you. We are done with our topic. Okay, exactly. We are done with our topic about swimming pool, about sports and swimming. Okay? So I will see you, Messi, tomorrow. Okay? Messi, right? Tomorrow. Okay? 9 p.m., right? 8 p.m., right? 8 p.m. tomorrow. Am I correct? 8 p.m. tomorrow? Messi? 8 p.m. tomorrow. Okay? Yes. Bye-bye, Messi. Bye-bye.